How to cancel reservation on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can cancel reservation on Yelp. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Yelp's account, just like I have done here. And then once you are logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see the Yelp's logo, you can see the search box, you can see other options as well. So once you can see this, the next thing to do is to access your reservation. Alright, so navigate to your reservation section by going to the top part of the screen where you can see restaurants, home services, other services, and more. So just click on restaurants and then click on reservations. So after clicking on reservation, you can see all of your reservations being displayed here. So for me, this is the reservation. Then for you to delete or to remove or cancel reservation, just move to the right side of the screen and click on clear. Yours might be cancel depending on what is displayed. And then once you click on cancel, automatically the reservation would be cancelled. So this is how it works. This is how you can cancel a reservation on Yelp. So ensure you try this as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.